Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: how to use responsive search ads. Responsive search ads, RSAs, in Google Ads are designed to help you create flexible ads that adapt to show more relevant messages to your customers. Here's how you can effectively use responsive search ads. 1. Log into Google Ads. Go to Google Ads and sign in with your account credentials. 2. Create or select a campaign. Navigating to the Campaign tab, select an existing campaign or create a new one. Make sure it's a campaign that uses the search network. 3. Create a new ad group or use an existing one. Click on the Ad Groups tab, select an existing ad group or create a new one within your campaign. 4. Set up a responsive search ad. In the ad group, click the plus button to create a new ad. Choose responsive search ad. 5. Enter your final URL. Input the landing page URL where you want users to go after clicking your ad. 6. Add headlines. You can add up to 15 different headlines. Each headlines can be up to 30 characters long. Headlines should be unique and highlight different aspects of your product or service. Include relevant keywords to increase ad relevance. 7. Add descriptions. You can add up to 4 different descriptions. Each description can be up to 90 characters long. Descriptions should complement your headlines and provide additional details or calls to action. 8. Optimize your ad copy. Use a mix of short and long headlines and descriptions. Include key selling points, benefits, and calls to action. Ensure headlines and descriptions are relevant to your keywords and landing page. 9. Pin headlines and descriptions. Optional, you can pin specific headlines or descriptions to ensure they appear in certain positions. For example, you can pin a particular headline to always appear in position 1. Use this feature sparingly, as it can limit Google's ability to optimize your ad combinations. 10. Preview your ad. Google Ads provides a preview of how your ad might look in different combinations. Review these previews to ensure your headlines and descriptions make sense together. 11. Save and launch. Once you're satisfied with your ad, click Save. Monitor the performance of your RSAs through the Ads and Extension tab. Best practices for RSAs: diverse headlines and descriptions. Provide a variety of headlines and descriptions to give Google more options to test and optimize. Keyword inclusion. Use keywords in your headlines and descriptions to increase ad relevance and quality score. Testing and optimization. Regularly review the performance of your RSAs. Use insights from the performance data to refine your ad copy. A/B testing. Compare RSAs with traditional expanded text ads, ETAs, to see which performs better. Ad strength indicator. Use the ad strength indicator in Google Ads to improve your RSAs. Aim for a good or excellent rating. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective, responsive search ads that dynamically adapt to show the most relevant messages to your audience, improving your ad performance and engagement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.